me. Oh, you need loves, Julia. Whoa, ladies, watch out. Who's me? Girls, what are we doing? Whoop. Oh, goodness. Heads up. He's coming back. Come on, you too, Katie. Come on, go play. Come on. No. Dylan! Bless you. My goodness. Way to sneeze. Come on, Mala. Come on. Go on. Go play. Bless you again. Come on. I see you. Smacking me. No one needs to smack me. Hi, Sierra. How's my girl? That's how you play with. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the kiss. That went all the way from cheek to my ear. Now, Maya, go get Coco. Maya, go get Coco. Go play with Coco. Hey, Maya, go get your Coco. Go on. Mala. Mala. Thank you. Really? Really? Who is that? Oh, Dylan. Oh, Dylan. Oh, the butt. Did you find a slippery spot, Coco? Oh, jeez, I'm crow. Go play. I'm supposed to... No, go play. Go play. Go play at my feet instead. Yeah. You okay? Are you okay? Go on. What are you doing? My favorite. Okay. Alright, you're good. You're on my feet. I know. Yeah, you're on my feet. Hey, Mala. Hello, Miss Mala. You always gotta jump on the arm that's holding the camera. You make it look like there's an earthquake. Yeah, you make it look like there's an earthquake. What is going on down here? Dylan! Dylan! You can't pull her hair! You can't pull her hair! Isn't that nice? What? What? She playing dead? Huh? Dylan? Is she playing dead? Stop! Yeah! What? He wants to play with you. Oh, Cinnamon gonna play. Yeah. You like play with me. Here, play with me. I play with you. I'll play with you. Oh, now Maya wants to play. Oh, goodness. Go on. Go on. Maya. Come on. Come on. Go on. No! It worked for a minute and she looked back and realized I wasn't still following her. She's like, wait a second. Both Mayas, actually. Go on. Go on, both of you. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. Go get your Coco. Go get Coco. Hi. What are you doing? Ow. What? Mala, you can't have the camera. You can't have it. No. No. I just can't win with you, can I? I'm trying to get you to go play. So I need to... Oh, no, jeez. Wow, that would have been bad. That would have been bad. Almost had a puppy pig pile, huh? Whoop, oh, there we go again.